G'day. Okay, here at Bunyip we are about to do a demonstration of the different types of sounds you can have in a T-type guitar. As you can see, we've got a range of T-types here today. Everything from a 1972 Fender Custom Original, which is somewhat road-worn, my original professional guitar, through a Merle Haggard custom shop with Orpheus pickups, a Kelton Suede 53 Brownie, some Bunyips, Keith, the Legend, and the Troopers. So what Scotty's going to do is to play each guitar, same riff, same chords, and we'll go through the single coil pickups and the humbucking pickups, so you can think for yourself what sort of sound you would like with your T-type. This is a Bunyip T1. We stuffed it up, we'll try again. Okay, this is a Kelton Suede 53 Brownie, and like the T1, it's available for sale. Take it away, Scotty. Now this is Keith. He is part Bunyip and runs Mick Briley's pickups, and we built him specially for Scotty. So, please send us your comments on which you like, which you don't like, what can be improved, and what you'd like to see. Thank you very much.